Okay, welcome back to the Licensing Committee meeting. A decision has been arrived at, and the decision is as follows. The Subcommittee has considered all the relevant evidence made available to it, and in doing so has taken into account the Licensing Act 2003 objective to prevent public nuisance, Section 2, 3 and paragraphs 10.8 and 10.9 of the guidance issued by the Secretary of State under Section 182 of the Act, paragraphs 14.5, 14.10 and 17.1 and 17.2 of the Council's Statement of Licensing Policy. The Subcommittee has carefully considered its decision, taking into account residents' concerns and the demands of the legislation. The decision of the Subcommittee is to grant the licence subject to the following conditions. 1. The sale of alcohol is authorised between 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock Monday to Sunday. I'll just say that again in a different way.
10 till 22.
10 till 2200 hours Monday to Sunday. The opening times of the premises shall be 0700 to 2300 Monday to Sunday. Non-standard timings are not granted to the premises. The licensed premises is extended to include the outer seating area which forms part of the applicant's lease. The conditions specified in Appendix 1 are accepted as conditions of the licence. Staff and management of the premises shall ensure patrons leave the premises in a quiet manner. The Subcommittee has based its decision on the requirement to prevent nuisance. You, of course, have a right of appeal. No decision made by the Council will have effect during the time period within which an appeal may be brought and until such time that any appeal has been determined or abandoned. The Subcommittee advises as a comfort to residents and a warning to the licensee that the licence may be reviewed and could potentially be revoked if licence conditions are not adhered to and or if the premises are managed in a manner which does not uphold the licensing objectives. The relevant application for the premises licence or any other person who made relevant representations to the application may appeal against the Council's decision to the Justice Clerk at the Uxbridge Magistrates Court. Such an appeal may be brought within 21 days of receipt of this notice of decision. You will be deemed to have received the decision notice 2 days after the date of the accompanying letter, which will be posted by first-class mail. Thank you for attending. The meeting is now closed.